Finding a first aid kit for work, home, recreation, or travel can be difficult because there are so many choices. When it comes to first aid kits and supplies, we are the experts. Mfasco Health and Safety manufactures the best first aid kits available. Take a look at our top first aid kits here at Mfasco Health and Safety. The 4-shelf industrial first aid kit number 4454 is designed specifically for the workplace. This heavy-duty metal box is painted with white enamel and has the words first aid screened on the front. There are 4 shelves to stock bandages, ointments, medicines, and other first aid supplies. A door pouch system to hold small items is also included. This style of kit is used by all of the major first aid services and exceeds the ANSI Class B Z308.1-2015 standard mandated by OSHA. With over 700 pieces included, it's perfect for medium and large size businesses. The cabinet can be wall mounted or carried if necessary. Restocking this kit is easy with our printable refill checklist. See the product page for more details. Restaurants have special requirements for food safety and special needs because of their work environment. The Mfasco 3-shelf restaurant first aid kit number 4495 is our top choice for any restaurant first aid kit. The heavy-duty 3-shelf white enamel painted box holds contents that exceed ANSI Class B Z308.1-2015 requirements. We've included extra burn products because burns always occur in the kitchen. This cabinet can be easily sanitized as part of any kitchen safety practices. Dispensing style boxes are used to supply blue food-safe type bandages, making them perfect for food prep environments. This kit is perfect for any restaurant up to 50 employees. See the product page for more details. The Mfasco Emergency Response Trauma Bag number 9970 is the top-selling emergency response bag on the internet. With hundreds of thousands in service, this emergency response trauma bag is perfect for emergency first aid situations. Important items include a blood pressure cuff, stethoscope, pen light, glucose, CPR resuscitator, EMT shears, large multi-trauma dressing, gauze products, bandages, eye wash, and so much more. The bright orange bag has reflective stripes, a carrying handle, shoulder strap, 2 front pockets, large main compartment with Velcro, and clips to keep the contents secure. Like all Mfasco kits, the Emergency Response Trauma Bag number 9970 has a complete fill list, and reorder buttons for individual items are all found on the product page. The top first aid kit for the office is the Mfasco 25-person first aid kit. This kit sets the standard for any ANSI Class A office first aid kit. Containing over 100 items, the special plastic first aid box can be wall mounted and hardware is included, yet it's small enough to fit in a drawer. This compact design uses a unique bag system which keeps the kit contents organized while providing easy access. See the 25-person plastic first aid kit class number 4427 on its product page for more details. The top first aid kit for the home is the Mfasco 10-person Lite first aid kit. The plastic box has a convenient carrying handle and a sticker that says First Aid Kit on the front. This economical kit includes 75 pieces for cuts, scrapes, burns, bruises, and other common injuries. We include a unique bag system which helps organize items and keep them easily accessible. This kit is perfect for the home, car, camper, and small enough to store in a drawer. The top first aid kit for marine and water sport activities is our Mfasco number 4698 Marine First Aid Kit. This kit is organized in 2 main sections. One side is devoted for traditional first aid supplies, and the other holds a nice selection of outdoor protection, including drinking water. The slim shape allows for easy storage and is very durable. The side clamps and water seal keep the contents safe and dry. The translucent plastic case allows you to see the organized products, and reordering individual items is easy, making this ideal for watercraft, large boats, rafting, and more. The top first aid kit for outdoor use is the Mfasco Sports and Outdoor First Aid Kit number 4974. The rugged EVA red bag with handles includes 2 compartments. The kit offers a unique combination of first aid and outdoor protection, making this ideal for outdoor recreation. We include traditional first aid products, but this kit also includes sports-related first aid supplies like athletic tape, moleskin, electrolyte tablets, muscle gel, and cohesive gauze to assist in common sports-related injuries. You'll love this kit because it's organized and the products are easily accessible. The top personal size first aid kit is the Empfasco Personal Size First Aid Kit 28-piece number 4421. This small kit will fit in your purse, glove box, trunk, drawer, luggage, or toiletries bag. The translucent blue plastic clamshell case holds 28 pieces of first aid items including bandages, gauze, ointments, and wipes. It's the perfect kit for the unexpected cut or scrape while you're away. Its contents are as practical as the price. Don't pass up the best personal first aid kit. Go to the product page for details and contents list for this great kit. No other first aid company offers the ability to customize their first aid kits online. Every Empfasco kit can be customized to your needs. Simply visit the product page of the kit that you'd like and click on the Customize This Kit link. You will be taken into the Make a Kit tool where you can modify the existing content quantities, remove or add items, and then check out in a matter of seconds. Give it a try now and see why Empfasco is the best source for first aid kits and first aid supplies.